This is a receiver in the canal hearing aid, and it fits over your ear just like this. There are two ways to put a hearing aid on. In the first way, the first manner, you can slip it over your ear just like that. Notice that the receiver wire starts up here near the temple. You put it like that, and then the dome, which is right here, the dome goes inside your ear as if you were using a Q-tip, which you should not ever be. Q-tips are not good for your ears. You then have this wire, and this wire fits inside just like that. And then the last thing you do is just push it in with your finger gently. So the hearing aid fits nicely and snugly behind your ear. The wire starts up here, goes inside with the dome, and then the stabilizing wire, which helps to keep the hearing aid in place, goes in this area. If you're going to put your glasses on, your glasses should go close to the temple of your head. So it's your head, the eyeglass temple, and then your hearing aid. Another way to put the hearing aid on is you can put the dome inside your ear first, like that, and then slip it over your ear, just like that, and then again, the stabilizing wire goes inside your ear. Stabilizing wire is there to keep the hearing aid in place. The very last thing you do is put your finger in your ear gently and push the dome in. The further the dome is in your ear canal, the better you will hear, and there's less of a chance that you will lose the hearing aid. To move the hearing aid, simply pull from behind the hearing aid or from the receiver wire and gently pull out. If your hearing aid has a battery and you are not going to use the hearing aid, make certain to open the battery door for the battery.